Skills Development Scotland (SDS) is the national skills agency, and we deliver Scotland's career service. You will find us in every state secondary school, in centres and community venues across Scotland, through our helpline, and online at My World of Work. Our careers advisors are professionally qualified experts and support people of all ages and at all stages of their career. In school, they support young people to develop their career management skills from S1 right through to S6. Beyond school, we're still there to help and can support anyone looking to get into work, change career, upskill or reskill, or needing redundancy support. You can call our helpline to speak to an advisor or to make an appointment to meet us in an SDS centre or local community venue near you. Our careers website, My World of Work, is also available 24/7 for information and advice. Discover more about how we can help you. Visit myworldofwork.co.uk or call 0800 917 8000.